See, this is the new ANPR camera. Number plate detection. Number plate is here, and as it is, you can see here to the screen. Yes, you can get the vehicle and everything. Okay, with the number plate. So here is the number plate. So you can see the number plate near to the car. Number plate near to the car. Number plate. Okay, your street security. So now another vehicle is coming, white color. So this is the record for another vehicle near white color XN number plate, and here we have it, the number plate, everything. Yes, and here you can get the notification also, and you can see the video from where the vehicle is coming and capture.